So, I spent last night cleaning up the exhaust, making it look pretty fucking peng, yeah? And now I'm just blowing out all the carbon from it. You can see smoke starting to form. I've only just started. Yesterday, I blew it in through this end before I started actually cleaning it. And bare smoke came out. Bare. So much bit up in there and in there. So when I was blowing it, there's smoke out there, and also I was doing that bit there, bare smoke. Now I'm doing that in now, so. Anyway, yeah. And there's a Fiesta limo.
It's like we take a panoramic video, isn't it?
Yeah.
Photo. And
It's
like
literally, it's literally a limo Fiesta. What the fuck?
Because life's too short.
Because life's too short. Awesome. This is looking on roll cage. Everything. Look at it. That is pang as fuck. That is sick. Look at the front. Bro, this guy fully goes rallying, doesn't he? Fucking hell. Yes, Rich. Quick video because we haven't done anything. Got a socket stuck on the exhaust. It's all twisting around, probably loose. It just won't pull off. But look, we got the exhaust on the moped. There's the old one there. Thankfully I had some perfect size aluminium fucking round bits with holes in the middle and some perfect length bolts and washers at like just in chance from another bag, not even from this moped, right? What I've done is I've got all the rust off this one, I've made it blue, I've repacked it, I've burnt all the carbon out, so it should be a nice clean, nice sounding exhaust. The keys are in my pocket. Oh, the seat's hanging off at the moment. What I'll do is I'll quickly just put the seat on and then get back to you and we'll start it. Yay! Right. Let's try and start it up. That's good. Right, it's getting on a bit now. But I've just finally done the exhaust properly. Got the two spaces in there. Got all them blue colours. Give it a little bit of a wallpaper. And now it's got a proper gasket in there with red RTD as well, even though RTD's not really for exhaust. Still chucked it in there and put it extra bit of sealing. Just going to tuck these wires back up in there where they go. And yeah. The exhaust shouldn't leak up the header anymore. Should just all come through and sound peng and be peng and just pengless. Yeah boy. Right, so now we're going to try out the new exhaust, see what it sounds like. But it's looking peng, it's sitting pretty, it's all bolted up hard. Apart from that one socket that won't come off here. It's done up hard, but we can't get the socket off. Socket wiggles but doesn't come off. How odd. Right, let's give her a fucking go. I'll give it a good old kick over here. That was easy enough, wasn't it? We'll let the dash come on, let's close it. You put this phone in the other hand so I can rev it up. See, she runs, boys. Haha! Gotta kill it so I don't wind everyone up. But yeah. Fucking runs, bro. Oh, it sounds peng. Trust me. That sounds like a lot more power than that does. A lot more power than that does. Oh. I love it so much, it's come so far. Also, ta-da! This is them. And I got all the stickers that were on it off. Yeah. Got them off with a blowtorch, believe it or not. Most stupid thing I've done. But fuck it. But yeah.